What's going on, guys? It's your boy Trillionaire Mac, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I know you guys have missed it, GBPUSD. We're going to be bringing back GBPUSD, and we're going to be talking about a trade that took place using the information that's taught within the mentorship program and within the course. Now, for those of you who are part of the Telegram community, you guys can be expecting GBPUSD to come back on our watch list now that everything is moving how it should, right? So we're going to be back trading GBPUSD. If you want to join in on our Telegram trades and our Telegram community, as it relates to the higher time frame, everything is starting to flow exactly how we expect things to flow. So now you guys can join the Telegram community and take advantage of these higher time frame trades. Go ahead and pass these FTMO challenges and let's keep the ball rolling. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, I would love to have you a part of the family. Feel free to click that subscribe button. And if you haven't already left a like on the video, feel free to leave the like. With that being said, sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. All right, so we're gonna first start off on the H4 time frame, and as you guys can see, based on the H4 time frame, we have this high here. Price then pushes to the downside, creating this lower low here, right? All of this is taking place internally, and then we also have a minor breakup structure that takes place right here, based on the H4 time frame. Right? So in our minds, we can still take advantage of internal structure, even though, right, this is just a simple minor breakup structure to the downside, right? So if we're looking at what's responsible for that breakup structure to the downside, okay, based on the information that's taught within my institutional trading course, as well as within the mentorship program, we would refine to this candle right here, okay? This is a very, very important candle, not because it's the last buy before the sell, because it's obviously not, it's a bearish candle, okay, that takes place before the sell. But this is where my team would refine to based on the information that we teach our students, right? So if we break this down, we're essentially looking for a reaction at this H4 zone. So let's go ahead and head down to our M15 time frame and see what price is giving us. All right, so once we head to the M15 time frame, okay, and we're breaking down this entire region, we can see that this gray box, okay, is essentially where we wanted to see price trade back to, right? So if we're looking at structure, we have uptrend structure all throughout this area. Price creates a high, higher low, higher high, and then we create a lower low right after. So we have a sweep of liquidity to the upside here, right? We have our demand failure, we have a failed reaction, and then price takes out that failed reaction and gives us this demand failure, which is here, right? We also get a change of momentum with price moving to the downside, all right? So within this area, we have our apex supply, which is here, and then we also have a decisional, which is here, that was responsible for directly failing our demand here, right? So our entry was simply at this supply that was responsible for flipping this demand and pushing price to the downside through this area, right? Risk on this trade was a little bit high. I'm not going to lie to you guys, around 12 pips, but remember, this is an M15 entry. This is not the lower time frame day trade. Now, we do have a lower time frame day trade that took place here. You guys can be on the lookout for that video. I would more than likely drop it tomorrow for you guys to check out, right? And then, of course, our targets are going to be based on that higher time frame, right? So we risked around 12 pips on the trade, and our target is going to be the weak low, essentially the low that was not able to break this high here. Now, the reason why strong lows, strong highs, weak lows, and weak highs are very important is because of this concept right here. So you guys see how this high here was responsible for a breakup structure to the downside, giving us this low, right? Well, essentially, because this high created that minor breakup structure, even though it's just internally, it's still a breakup structure, right? This high right here is strong. Therefore, when price returns back to this area, we're anticipating price to reject this strong high here, which it does, right? Therefore, we look for a valid entry to take place once price trades back into this strong high, right? Anytime you take an entry at a strong high, your target is going to be what's weak, what was not responsible for breaking it, right? Therefore, we're going to target this low simply because this low was not responsible for breaking this high here. Those of you who have more questions on that concept, feel free to check out one of my most popular videos. Just go to my videos page on my channel and then go to sort from most popular. And then you should see, one of the top videos is about that topic there. That should definitely help you out. So this trade produced you around 97.4% of an FTMO account challenge passed, right? And then of course, if you would have held a runner on this trade, you pretty much could have passed the account challenge before market close. right? Not a guarantee, but 97% is still phenomenal. It's absolutely fantastic, right? Now, because the markets are looking like they want to flow again, all right, we're going to be taking advantage of GBPUSD once again. So if you're not a part of the Telegram community, feel free to click the link in the description. Join. I would love to have you a part. Our Sunday night webinar is going to be at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So for those of you who are within the Telegram community, be ready, be prepared. We're going to be teaching you guys a little something, all right? So with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Much love. Peace out.